Hello students, I welcome you all to your 4th revision video class. In today's class, we are going to revise the topic Civics Chapter 1 Understanding Diversity. Children, do you remember what is diversity? Diversity means variety and being different. Diversity is respecting and understanding the varying differences among individuals in society. Here we are going to discuss about diversity in India. Why? Because India is a country of many diversities. You know, in India, many languages are spoken. Can you name some languages that are spoken in India? Yes, Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu, Kannada and many other languages are spoken in India. And we have various types of foods. Now, let's name few food items. Idli, dosa, chapati, roti and many other food items. And we celebrate different festivals. Children, what are the festivals we celebrate? We celebrate Diwali, Pongal, Eid, Christmas and many other festivals. And we practice different religions. The various religions which we practice in India are Hinduism, Buddhism, Christianity, Islamism, Sikhism and other religions are also followed in India. Children, so we are living in a diverse society. What kind of society we are living? We are living in diverse society. Children, why India is called a land of diversity? India is called a land of diversity because India is home to many people with different religions, castes, cultures and traditions. India is a country of various cultures, races, languages and religions. It is a land of unity in diversity. Children, let's understand the historical and geographical factors influence the diversity of a region about life in two different parts of country, that is Ladakh and Kerala. Children, let's discuss a few important points about Ladakh. Ladakh is in the eastern part of Jammu and Kashmir. Children, where is Ladakh located? Ladakh is located in eastern part of Jammu and Kashmir. It is a union territory. Ladakh is a cold desert in India. Children, where is cold desert in India? It is in Ladakh. In Ladakh, very little agriculture is possible because this area receives very little rainfall. Ladakh is covered with snow. In Ladakh, people rear sheep and goat. Ladakh is famous for Pashmina wool. Children, where we get Pashmina wool? In Ladakh. Ladakh people eat meat and milk products. Children, name some of the milk products. Yes, cheese, ghee, buttermilk and curd. Buddhism reached Tibet via Ladakh. This place called as Little Tibet. Children, why Ladakh is called Little Tibet? Buddhism was spread to Tibet through Ladakh. Children, next we are going to discuss about Kerala. Children, where is Kerala located? Kerala is a state. It is located in a southwest corner of India. It's surrounded by the sea on one side and hills on the other sides. Some spices grown in Kerala, such as pepper, cloves, and cardamom, are grown in hills. At first, Jews and Arab traders came here. Kerala people follow different kinds of religions due to this historical influence. The main occupations of the people are fishing and agriculture. They use Chinese fishing nets for fishing, and the name of net is called Chinavala. The majority of the people in Kerala eat rice, fish and vegetables. The important festival of Kerala is Onam. Children, which is the important festival in Kerala? The important festival in Kerala is Onam. Let's compare between Ladakh and Kerala. Both the places are at different parts of our country. They have different geographical features but similar cultural influences. Both are influenced by Chinese and Arab traders. Traders come to Ladakh for sheep and wool. Come to Kerala for spices. Children, we are going to discuss about unity in diversity. Children, why is India called land of unity in diversity? India is called land of unity in diversity because it consists of people of various religion live together happily in the land of India. It has different forms of languages, dresses and foods. The diversity in India has always been its strength. During the British rule, people from different religious and regional came together to oppose them. They worked together and found different ways to oppose British. Our national anthem, composed by Rabindranath Tagore, also expresses the unity of India. Children, who composed our national anthem? Our national anthem was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. The book Discovery of India, written by Jawaharlal Nehru, also expressed about unity in diversity. Children, who wrote the book The Discovery of India? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Children, we are going to discuss the worksheet. Check your answers. Children, first Roman multiple choice questions. First question, dash and dash are in different parts of India. Answer is Kerala and Ladakh. Second question, Ladakh people eat meat and milk products like dash and dash. Answer is cheese and butter. Kerala is a dash region. Answer is coastal region. Ladakh is a desert in the state of dash. Children, what is answer? Answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Children, second Roman, fill in the blanks. First question, the caste system is form of dash. Answer is inequality. Second question, inequality comes when a person does not have access to dash and dash. Answer is resources and opportunities. A country's customs, religions, arts and histories constitutes its dash. Answer is culture. Fourth question, both Kerala and Ladakh were influenced by dash. Answer is Chinese and Arab traders. Fifth question. A British general opened fire on a public meeting dash on April 13, 1999. Answer is Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Children, sixth question. The discovery of India is book by dash. What is answer? Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Children, next one, match the following. First one, Ladakh. What is correct answer? Wool. Second question, Kerala. What is correct answer? Spices. Third question, Amritsar. What is correct answer? Jallianwala Bagh. Fourth question, Jawaharlal Nehru. What is correct answer? The discovery of India. Fifth question, Rabindranath Tagore. Answer is the national anthem. Children, I will send the question answer through PDF file. Copy the question and answer in your classwork note. Children, write neatly and clearly in your classwork note. Children, I hope you all understand this chapter. Children, stay safe, stay home. Thank you, children.